Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I have set up a little challenge for my Nikon Coolpix B500. Say hi, say hi, say hi. And we are only going to shoot high speed and action shots today with this camera. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. I have received a lot of comments from you guys that you're not able to click sharp images with your D500. The images turn out to be blurry, especially if you're shooting indoors in ambient light. So today I'm gonna test this camera and we are only gonna shoot high speed action shots. Let's see how blurry or how sharp images come out from this camera. Let's get started.
Settings, I will use the auto mode, then go into the menu and make the ISO the least 125. Focus, manual, AF mode, pre-focus. I will turn on the flash and cover the flash with a piece of white paper so that the flashlight spreads more evenly. I have my B500 set on a tripod. I have placed my subject on a backdrop of black cloth which I have taped to the wall. I will take this lemon and drop it into the bowl of water, and as soon as it hits, click the splash. Now in the same backdrop I have a glass of water and I will slowly pour water into it and click. Oops, go a bit closer and click. I have some green peas. You can use any subject guys. Just drop them into the water and capture the splash. Again. 1, 2, 3. Now I will turn off my flash because I want to photograph a waterfall. Waterfalls, they sure are high speed. Birds, they are high speed too. For birds also my flash will be off obviously, and I will set my ISO to 125 to 400 so that the camera shakes less.
Now that was so much fun. I had a lot of fun shooting these photos guys, and I hope you liked them too. In case you did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what tutorials you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous P500 tutorial and here is a playlist that plays all my content about this camera. Please go check these videos out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.